Yes, now we can discuss about a very good topic, that is vitamin C serum. It is especially for skincare and beauty topic. Vitamin C serum. Serum means a drop by drop. If you put on your face, that will be considered as a serum. Vitamin C serum. Add vitamin C serum to your skincare routine. What is vitamin C serum? If you have here your head in the skincare game, you have likely heard of vitamin C serums. Vitamin C is touted as one of the best ingredients on the market for pro-aging support and the key to maintaining a smooth, even and glow complexion. Although you are probably getting vitamin C in your diet, there is no way to guarantee it is going straight to your skin. So we cannot say that straightly it goes to the skin. Using serums, serums means the drops of vitamin C. Using serums and other topical products is the most direct way to reap these benefits. Read and to learn why you should add vitamin C serum to your routine, how to introduce a new product, and more. So nowadays, not only for beauty, for male and female also, vitamin C serum is mostly useful for hair care, not hair and skin care. It is mostly useful. So the entire world is following these vitamin C serum, especially in beauty clinics. Whether it is a tried and true skincare regimen, how often you wash your hair, or the cosmetics you are curious about, beauty is personal. That is why we rely on a diverse group of writers, educators, and other experts to share their tips on everything from the way product application varies to the best sheet mask for your individual needs. Benefits of vitamin C serum. Especially serum means those who put vitamin C drops, liquid drops on your skin, especially on your face. It clears so many problems. What are those? Those problems and those benefits we can discuss now. There are plenty of benefits to using vitamin C on your skin. For example, vitamin C is safe for most skin types, provide hydration, can brighten your skin, can reduce redness, can reduce hyperpigmentation, can reduce the appearance of under eye circles. It is most important, especially ladies will so much suffer about under eye circles are there, means beauty will be reduced. So that every woman or every lady will reduce their under eye circles. So vitamin C serum is mostly useful for those, and promotes collagen production, and sagging of the skin also will be reduced, may help prevent sagging, promotes collagen production, may protect against sun damage also, soothe sunburns, may help wound healing also. If any damages are there, healing skin wounds also will be healed. So vitamin C is heavily useful, especially in skin care and beauty. Vitamin C's anti-inflammatory action may help neutralize free radicals that cause oxidative damage, optimize the immune system to discuss any inflammatory immune response. The anti-inflammatory properties of vitamin C can also help reduce redness, which can create more even complexion. So, especially this vitamin C syrup will be useful for sun damage and sagging, sunburns and wound healing, and skin care and hydration. So many are there. Even though one thing I will say that don't use in the regular basis. If you are using today, take 2 or 3 days of gap, then you apply again. Then it will be safe to your skin. The combined reduction of dark spots, redness and irritation makes for a clear, smooth skin tone. And the next point is it helps reduce redness and even out your skin tone. Vitamin C also been shown to act as anti-inflammatory agent through its antioxidant capacity, according to 2015 View Trusted Source. This means It soothes your skin and can reduce puffiness. Vitamin C anti-inflammatory action may help neutralize free radicals that cause oxidative damage, optimize immune system to discourage an inflammatory immune response. The anti-inflammatory properties of vitamin C can also help reduce redness, which in turn can create a more even complexion. The combined reduction of dark spots, redness, and irritation makes for a clear, smooth skin tone. And next point is how to use a vitamin C serum. Although topical vitamin C is generally well tolerated, all skin products have the potential to cause side effects. You should always do a patch test to assess your risk of allergic reaction. Here is how. It is possible to have skin reaction after repeat exposure, so it is best to introduce new products one at a time, spaced out by a few weeks. And next point is vitamin C serum is typically applied once or twice per day. A good rule of thumb is to cleanse, tone, apply vitamin C serum, and then moisturize. Be sure to apply skin care products with clean hands. It can safely used with other active ingredients, although using alongside products containing niacinamide may make vitamin C less effective. This is the information regarding vitamin C serum. Vitamin C serum is heavily using in beauty clinics, and ladies and women hardly using so many types of vitamin C serums. It will always be helpful. It will always helpful to skincare especially. So gents also are using very well. So it is world famous. Vitamin C serum is available in America and India and so many countries also. So according to your nearer medical shops, you can purchase vitamin C serum. Otherwise, it is not there also. They will say about substitutes also. You can use in the same way. Wishing you all the best.